Precious, there's something I need to talk to you about. It would sound really out of context right now, but I need you to understand. Precious, it's about Asanto. Are you even listening?
I'm listening.
I don't like that too.
What has Asanto done?
It's like now I've gotten a lot of feelings for her. Precious, I think right now I'm in love with Asanto.
Hey, Vaughn. Vaughn, how? How? How are you in love with Asanto? How? How is that possible?
Precious. It sounds strange. I told you that it would sound very out of context. But understand me. I don't know. It's like now when I think about her, my mind, like all my thoughts have been about it. I can't even speak well.
Vaughn, are you okay? No, like, have you not been seeing nice ladies around or something?
Oh, come on, you can't say Asanto is not
you're
nice.
just limited to Asanto.
You can't say Asanto is not nice.
Somebody who has given birth with say my
Precious, the child didn't even survive. So what's your problem?
Still, Vaughn, do you think it's good for you to be with somebody like Asanto? Somebody like Asanto,
Precious,
as harsh as her.
Precious, maybe that's what I want.
Hey, then your choices are bad.
Precious, you are come to talk about choices, bad and good choices here.
Oh, but if you do this, then we are all the same.
Precious, don't do this. Understand me.
But how do you think you're in love with her? Why?
Precious, I've just been feeling this strange connection to her.
And have you told her?
I want to tell her.
If that's how it is, then you can decide to tell her.
I can tell her. Are you sure? Do you think it will work out?
Yeah. Who wouldn't like someone like you?
Hey, Precious. Precious, that's why I love you. I check you. Hey! Ready, my floor on your book. About your name. Minia Keto. Aroma. Kati madame de dey koso ina me yawo. Ti ne osi dominu yi pa, ono de wa fa o sa so wo yusu keke no. Me yawo.
Said it and said it again. Because I can't even imagine this in Poe. Wow, take a picture of me. Am I a baddest girl or am I wrongest? What bad did I did to your brother? Do I deserve this?
Auntie madam, what done no ho dia, no dey beto max e odo nti anyasa anka wo done no body ne dia.
No, because I have everything. And as a school more girls no mugu on sa enkojo for ma wings now all treat me sana and answer.
Auntie madam, e yo mantia. E yo mantia na menu yaketo Aroma o ya sa. Would they just imagine say, because no see share boy no, any scout the my boy no. And so
I invest in you. I put my heart.
He don't sleep with you.
Bruh, my head testing idea. How make say no wabosun?
Ade how can say na ade?
No wabosun.
Your head test.
My head test because sometimes I'm horny, sometimes I need someone I spend my money in. I am invest because you gotta treat me good and answer when maybe did the rough into you.
Kati madam, na say we crampo there. Yes, what do con your door? Inti se wo do na. I was saying no si do no sa no consider. Kati madam,
American central because enyo odo pa.
Ka we, Aroma we. Kana so ba no.
Odo akwa akodi boto bi mu.
Kati madam, control. Menu anu, me na menu anu, me moja no.
Girls no. One kasa when you took your eyes on it, osha yeah ben spec. And I dey na wo hu e bi nim ho.
Kati madam, ni na ne say me na menu anu. Me moja no de minim na me ka cho. Ono no. So oto do ma. We o nyina de pay attention. Opesa wo tata. School mo fa ha na wenim ni.
Oh really?
What ha na wenim ni.
Okay.
Yet a class kwa no boy rawo.
Okay.
Oshene yet dormitory yet who's the one of my boys net to in edin komo no. No aboy pian na oba won so a. She be mo say on boy na
I gotta do that.
Yeah.
And this boy, he trusts what I can do with him.
Exactly. So do it. Do it to prove everybody.
Okay.
Prove it to everybody.
Because he is killing my chest. He wants to kill me softly, but it haven't happened. God have not written Bible because Bonnie I'm hearing now that I'm in loving with you. How can you treat me this way?
Don't cry.
No, I'm emotional.
Uni say wasani gay blood to me on me. Bretta, I'm a Bretta.
So you are turning my back.
Scout the money in again on the
Oh, gosh.
Scout the money.
Are you serious? Don't kidding. Why you serious? I think we are okay. Why you serious?
Can't madam. And as I get no crown. Or no be about. And on the sashes ha get the banana.
It's me investment in air could do a bin baby.
Could do a bin in a bow, a bear man, or some penny bone on share crown. I'm on the do sick and a share of banana craning.
Nancy Britta we pardon no one me. Do Britta is a nice little me. What she am I a rascal? No, do I do rascal?
I can't see, madam, you are more rascal than her.
Oh gosh.
Madam, to them catch all no dear papa answering about it. Now, je dear me kind of boy in the bed for Lama. School my baby, I'm a beer. Dinechi.
What's it?
No, what by your roster or brow anytime.
Me that's you.
Classroom anytime. You're no boys near any number anytime now.
Me tip no.
No tip off on them crack.
Just give me the tip.
The number on the day 26 chat one.
And one.
Yes, it's yet baby. I mentioned that flash up. Now my testing baby. It's a new location and what about.
Me name say now we near to say.
The idea of
me say we are guys and come here and me dem ho share one tent me there any power dwunu will be done ho there. I na me penny pana.
That we me dem mempe.
O say
me mempe, me meni ate.
Sure say any
Wahuni pedia ba for the man. Obeka who wants them. That's how it is and so. You any? Yeah, big was in way.
Addition yamre. Abule Opoku. Nyame no bi no ne yama admission go. Eh, yana usua de. Dem. Addition we here. Oh, we can no play. I make a job boy. A principle na usua. Principle of design. The way effectiveness. Principles of design describe side effects of requirement. One chino class. One chilling in a mission. Masa. Yen baby a free ban a quango. Hey, but some new meaning and my admission. Since the mission there, so why are these ocean there? Meaning you are better exams. But train way. Toilet in so. I know do abua. Meko, eh? No crap. No cotard and came with jump. What say? Oh, come to you. Memfa baby alpha, me say. Asa, okay. Bema, blah blah. I don't want uncle. Baby, no me food days here. Also need power better as it. Beba, me own food be all. Or they say, yeah, own food. Master, there be a dear when you dear granny. The phone net high see as there. Now, prank ben, I'll prank him. Come out here, children. On one day, we are near a cost a dry line. Your baby boutique. Who call dry line? I say, we will only we are confront. I check you, Master. The quabba de be seen also the miss and the mouse through no one soon half. There's no so what you say, one hour better change your massa. Maybe I fool be any more. Jagona need to jaja, you diagram, diagro, dear no. Principle now, who's son and can be best to be by my own mama bomb, as I'm so much jam. Massa, Jagona dino, Massa, sir, or fool be any more. Then I know, we both are on me. It's also fooling you, be any man. Now you saw on family on Bannerman, so what?
Many blue, yeah,
the only me and the cattle son are the time of practice. I would say, will to so close. What up, bro, patrol, my own worker. Bro, me tears see I'm a phone. Me who me phone. What's only the problem that I was still a new ho to Mr. Bro. On family animal. I own in it. I mean, let's say, no. Go many patro from line.
Oh, sure say no now for.
Blase man.
Na wo bi a chichi na
Yes. I say the metia o person me frame am am sinu like.
Senior, me tia me hua de okro, me twa se me hua de. Me phone da hansi a wo so na obeta me nchen.
No be betra on channel afa afun.
Bro, one wa fa. Asa, fa phone ma me. Bi ani me. Senior, me matutu.
O see ni wo me frame phone me ni airtime. Uni afra.
Channel so from normal. So me
Let them me bebre.
Tell fast. Uni pa nanim show bi obefa phone.
MTN network na nye.
Oh, yeah, me dear them.
Oh yeah, sure.
My echo says here, me ban.
Kila watch it.
Oh, my fresh say ade.
Hey, John, na me wunju.
Na my fresh na.
Tina here man na me kwa so ni.
Ade ma asa wo te. Ai. Tina. E na wo sa na ote.
Me won say sign.
Who wanna share ni kuma na wudi.
Ese. For na be so bottom say sign.
Me yes sure.
Yo. What's up?
Em say that.
Senior.
No.
Me tia me share di o. Me hwe me phone me hu. Me phone su da me nchen. Wo su ni pa.
Yo, top true.
You don't beat someone.
Who the wire boy? Who TV ya obeba? Bonimu.
Wo su me phone ni wo. E na me ma cha my friend. Line man. E friend ya phone she wo hase.
Me betina on chain out say automatically phone be share.
Who say it? Automatically. Who say it?
Mr. Wasempa, how say look innocent.
Senior.
Nya yo mo bi ambon. E nyina afa ne yaba school no go pro. E den. Wo betina won chen.
Yes. Abla me shi again.
Salu.
Salu, why?
Why are you doing this to yourself?
Nim.
Huh?
Say a day
Yo, any kind of move.
Hey,
Hey, I will slap you. What's the meaning of that? We are there kind of saying kasa. Yo, listen to me. There are authorities in the school.
Authorities.
If you say it's Seer, hey, stop fooling. Listen to me.
Yes.
If you say, yo, I will slap you. Keep quiet. Hey, Flex. Listen. You came to the school to learn Salu. What's the meaning of all this? This is the second time this is happening. Charlie Munjana Moyano. This is the second time this is happening. Why? Huh?
Me call me papa.
Me call me papa.
Mo so na ball chini na mo sori amodi ball ho chini.
Senior nyebo say.
Yo.
Beti ase.
Me ni ball mu.
Beti
Eh ba beti dede. Ya yiri obi wo se ball.
Aro yare.
Mani ti ya wo de emfa no, ne wo mfa no mani ti wo.
Obi o yare adan na.
Se woni dia odi aba school mu ase.
Me go sick bay.
Mo fa no ko sig obi o yare de.
E ho na me papa o pese on kwhye ne papa nchen. Open insurance cover.
Ni twam. No mo se ni tie ne ya.
Bra, hey, take your time. Na jina yi ade na so omo ye de bi. You kana me bisa sa ade. What is wrong?
Nti mo fa no ko sig bay.
Nya botre.
Do aba na me mpe.
Bro. Nko ya yi wa fa mi ashima. Em kwa me ka say ni kwan so oye sa ade no.
Wa fa ni shima say.
Wa fa mi ashima.
So wa je the record there.
One fa like
Oni ni wa wi am phone. The phone send bottom mo ya to wa.
Yo here for service. What's your fire service for? Phone na be share me ho.
Munya na mo.
Contact. Combination of two or more. Me you get.
Ni kan
Yo.
Yeah, I see to her.
Ombo.
Mo fa me ko salu.
O da be munja.
Mo fa me ko salu.
We mo fa no ko headmaster. Oh no, me nya hwe.
Oh boy, munya na mo ye no ombo jana.
Me say o
Me ma ni mbo we say
Na as ado na wi ade ana.
me mo say me na madane kromfo na.
so e bet no.
Je ni anu ori ari je.
Amani ni bet.
Obi bet asema so the bet him say.
Yenko.
Listen.
Listen.
Let me mean you bet.
Let me dey na mo fa no ko headmaster.
Say the
count.
Now so
They don't me bet.
That me for you mo fa no ko headmaster.
Salu.
ni enfa ya sake kai.
Salu. Next time. Salu.
Asanto, I've been thinking about the past, about all that went down, about everything. And look, I just wanted to tell you that, Asanto, I still have feelings for you. I have very strong feelings for you, Asanto.
But Vaughn, I thought you said you don't need me, you don't want us anymore.
Asanto, relax. Let me speak. Just listen to me. Look, I took everything into consideration, and I realized that no, what we were doing in the past, it was just games. It was something that was just holding us. And even for information, I knew about everything.
What?
I knew about the recording.
Recording?
Yes, the one you sent to say my I had it. You exposed everything, that the child wasn't mine, it was for Semaye. But the only person I ever confided in about this was Precious. That is why whenever you were trying to fight with her or anything, I told you that relax. I did all of this because I still had love for you, and I didn't want you to be disgraced or embarrassed when that secret ever came out. Asanto, you may think I'm playing or I'm fooling you, but I'm not. I'm very serious. Listen to me. Look at me. Asanto, look at me. Just close your eyes right now.
Why?
Just close your eyes.
Okay.
Tell me, what do you see?
Nothing.
That's my life without you now. I am nothing. Asanto, I really love you. I need you back. Let's forget about the past. Let's just build a stronger future together.
Vaughn, see, I understand. And I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about everything. I'm so sorry. But you know what? I'm not in my normal sense right now. I mean, you're okay right now. Like, there's a whole lot going on in my mind. Are you sure? When you sure say, oh, pay back now, pay to pay me
Asanto,
back.
I would never do something like that to you. Asanto, I'm being very serious right now. Just give me a chance.
Vaughn, you know what? Just give me time to think about it. I really need to think about this.
No problem. You can go and think about it. I won't trouble you.
Okay.
But please, try and give you an answer as soon as possible. Let me be with you in your thoughts constantly.
Okay, just give me time to talk about it, please.
Yeah, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah.
Okay, you blanket TV. Ow. Now we from Trinity and answer it. If you need you crew. You know the white tune. No Shanyama school more. Banamaba. Sensibility me ye made Yama here and Tia Moon dear. With the bedroom. We may not buy a currency no so as I can Yama. You'll talk to. So maybe the 2 pieces top and down. We not buy a. Oh. No, for person. Just be quiet and come. Thank you. Are blanket na
What are you going?
me de kwai ma be yi mi ni ma swam na be yi mi
And maybe I wish a biker.
biker be
Mommy sure.
we am a boxer
Wish a biker.
boxer men yes
Sure,
no,
okay.
what is that
Meba. And maybe I wish a
eish abe from me am teacher mi ma she neglect your friend say crop top odia hey market na me be you na good Samaritan ezo na mu na you so too emu ankan
when see ya dia.
de anya
We ya dia.
esa ya odia
Hey.
de man to ndi kula o je me boawo we ya
Why you
odia
comfort?
comfort hey
Follow mommy.
me ye o papa no friend me
Papa bay. I don't crown war.
hwe nsuo na emu na me ba dry line ho ba be ye shopping na se me yo me dey brewo They are going about fear now. Johnny Shami. You all look like a thief.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, babe. Add the salute.
Salute.
Yes, please.
Now you're comfortable.
When you comfort, I'm doing you good. And then what word they watch maybe I want to lean sir. Why? And then I yeah. My good. Me ya bro. I know about this. I mean, just welcome me. Dear. Simple. Oh, you're long.
Maybe you're long.
Long na me ya no.
Tobo member.
Ade. No. Me papa nu ye hu. Me papa nu ye hu papa.
Na, who be antare essence we affect.
Hello so ya ode ya. Jojo ade e metweme.
Ah.
Say so nje.
Ukrono nye fo.
E be da efe. Aye se metiri hu.
Seer. Mama kai. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
O me pe wase mo. Nze mbe sku no nyina na asa. And I'm first can count. Yeah.
I'm also so wi ai.
Eh, there be me am dia.
Eh, na your comfort sir.
Eh, upa me comfort.
Na nim so your comfort.
Iti me nya papa. Enye wo mua. Na fa boni tua me ka sa na ye ka. Oh, tina papa ka se school asa. O ye ni papa na de boni tua ka. Nipa nye. Nipa onye.
Me ma beto se wuria mental. O ma wa no mba fom.
O beto me na me wia on tal. Me yi ni ma na me de brew.
Obi abete. Me koka. Obi dien. Me koka. Skabi so osanso de amame. 1 CD.
Scan wa pu.
Scanner wa kwa wia no sa de breme on.
You nya keto obe ma no.
Se ma report kra na enyam ya.
Ne nya kese obe.
Wa wia bai ka se ye wo boxer. Minimu da.
Me papa ye school page na nko baby.
Inti dien.
Unim yo.
Inti dien.
Mr. Sally
ne ba. Oh shame.
We are my friend papa.
Shame.
Yeah, we don't say be come to be sure ni su bia.
Kromfo ho kromfo.
Me ko ka chem papa. Me me kromfo.
Man can oh inti dien.
I said it's a breakup.
Listen, I know you're joking.
Me no word shine.
But Catherine, what is this about? What's going on? Baby, my love, what is going on?
Me, my love. Don't love me. Don't lever me one day cry. I said it's over.
What's wrong? Why? Why is it over?
You take me for granted.
Oh, come on.
You take me for a fool, right?
Why are you saying that?
Chesa Bible cramp ekita o me na me toma o. Me mehwa won to support am. Na afa you paid me badly.
You have to say this.
Oh really?
Baby, what is going on?
Men are wicked.
Hey, my love.
I said it's over.
My
Nothing
love,
to explain it.
Listen to me. Listen. I want to know where I go wrong. Tell me what I did wrong. I want to apologize to you. What did I do?
Okay. Do you know what you do?
No, I don't know.
I can't date who abra won men now. Me sume your ba what? Me ho ba bia eye. Se me ha many na me ji feelings ni bi eye. So that is over.
Hey, Madam Catherine. Listen, I said I will make it up to you. After this exam, we can go.
Everyday excuses.
Listen to me. I have this plan for us. I didn't want to disclose it to you. I've organized this.
If you did or not, I said it's over. Me no want to be. Nenti would drink some mejimia to that extent, no?
What's wrong?
You are dating Britta. Sa no rascal girl we no be na hwehwe nim we no rasta be no rasta mu kan we. You are cheated on me. What ka girl we? Oh really?
Hey.
Na me sika na me de be ma na me investment so ho be ye fe amaya ka se me be ma ho ofe no wo wasa the investment na ko hwe wa ba no ma kwasi ampa bia wa want to mention ba me sika e na me fanye investment na fa ko hwe no ho
hey baba mu
we are true for papa
baba mu listen I know where this is coming from baba mu
okay.
Listen to
That's
me.
okay. I didn't care.
Madam Catherine, listen to me. With all due respect. You know I love you. You know I can't do without you. Listen, Britta and I have nothing to do. She's my ex. I don't have anything to do with that girl again. And besides, her daughter is...
true.
Oh.
In all the Bible quotations, you are a liar.
Baby.
You didn't tell the truth, right?
Baby, you have to trust me. Listen. Britta and I were together, but now
I said it's over. If yes more, if gone more, if that danke.
Please.
And family home.
Please, Madam Catherine.
Hey, leave me alone. If you don't know and you touching me.
Please.
If you don't know and you leave me alone.
Madam, listen.
It's over.
Listen to me. Listen, look at me.
It's over.
Listen to me. Madam Catherine, please listen to me. You listen to me.
I
want to say this.
Leave me alone.
Without you, I can't leave. Madam Catherine, without you, I can't leave.
Start to prepare. Leave without me. Because I'm gone.
You know, you feed me, you buy me everything I need. So what do you want me? How do you want me to survive without you?
It doesn't fair you. So it's over. I cannot do that stupid work again.
Please, Madam Catherine, I beg you. I'll make it up to you. I'll come to the kitchen and give it to you there.
No everyday investment. No I just need you one night crown.
Now I'm coming.
Now this scare abanoma. No, be I want ban on to me when I me sick now de kwa kwa. O shege on sa sha abanoma. Eh, me na wikido.
Me
over. And
please,
over.
Madam Catherine. Hey. I apologize to you, Adams. I bought you a book. You was she on Pablo Adams. Yet, why am I way? Okay, no problem. Hey, Babamu. Hey! Adams! Massa. Carry my book in me. Okay. You are reading the book.
My book, no.
What did you say when I gave you the book? What I say I came? Hey! Adams! Charlie, why? Why are you so weak? Adams, me, I should come and sit. Adams, why are you so weak? So am I not your brother? Adams.
So what have I done this time?
As brothers, we are supposed to be there for each other. Adams, I know you've caught me, and I may not be doing commercial. Please, don't disclose this to anybody.
So that's why I'm always there for you. And then
What me?
Actually, why? Me, my cousin,
bro, why did you do that?
That be my cousin. Actually, why? School more than one in my dear apart from me. Huh?
You know what I'm talking about, Adams. You know what I'm talking about.
Aroma, I don't know anything. Just voice out. Me, then my question.
Who have you talked to about my past?
Aroma. Madam Catherine. Aroma. Me nko kan wan sem bi anche Madam Catherine.
Hey.
No. Because we there.
Na me ba Madam Catherine.
Na wan sem na wo.
Hey, Adams, Charlie. Am I not your brother, Adams? Am I not your brother? So for once, you can save me. You can protect me. Maybe I made it, Adams. What was say ho?
Aroma, me ma say ho. This time quite the me save you. Me teach ya. Ana Madam Catherine by and also na me won ko. Ana o twe me fu ekyira na o de ekogina elko administration block nature. Na ekogina ho no. Ana o starting no bizarre me say, "Oh, lifestyle to say ana amanfo keka ho say mo school mu ana what say am say, "Eh, me nuane de Aroma on tisa because senior Aroma me ne tie no. Me hu say oye ma say ma na say me kwa na me kan bi ma wo."
So how come I say we are no more together?
You and one no more.
Madam Catherine, I'm coming from here. Me see my corner or see it's over between us. Why, Adams?
Can't see Madam we try and trust her. Me what can you train on?
Adams, where I eat. You know 50 cents doesn't send money again. That is where I eat.
Ain't na me say because okona wunya obremi bi. Adams, me dey say o.
Adams.
Me can't see Madam we.
Okay, Misika Ofenina. I get it from her.
I know. It's made out.
So why? Adams, why? Why are you so wicked, Adams? Huh? Charlie! Maybe I'm the Adams. What was say also? Hey, how do you expect me to survive on this campus?
Me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come any months.
No so ni me on komo dey.
Na so bano.
Mm.
Oya confront na dey ni mu ye intro no man kan che.
Hey, mommy, it is some kind of basa say.
Yes, Obama your comfort.
Sonny said, you know who ye.
Mahata many mammy call Coresa, Mukoya, where you need dear goodness. Mimi Bisana was here, Nedia. Biker shows, schoolers at I remember she.
If you know, who may be a supporter and a
boxer. Ah, was she?
No, catch him so senior ma. Ata, Ebi and I'm so winning in a beer, and or befa, dear.
Schoolness, when you so taught that. Obama, no, Nessa, Obama was saying no.
Ah, mammy, I saw you come cause I saw
a crumb for Nanka was a walker.
What but damn, wouldn't you bush and since you know bush your coin and a more crumful? What but the member about the corner to me was a member bear crumful? What but the matter when you say crumful bar? What about catches a member bear crumful? Send me say to you, whom you are not to spend in Tikaka and Tissa Dino. I would the other come who I saw Bronsano. No coming out crumful, member me bear crumful. When you was Sunima, no so talk, let's say so better, say so to say we had said the name be a mobile. This was ye name, maybe were ye name and post what they brow. Ni papa way and any bonny ni, nipa never papa maybe, but now any papa we are so crying a dear crime. Indeed, I can say slow nipa. Never know papa for the dear dreamy.
Ness a format when I demand Bano.
Give a penny.
It was the same thing I was walking saying, so talk. In so bad 21 years, and the same thing, so I for my nana on so they mammy know.
And so to know your papa no, and no, the after the old canon.
It's so then I know.
And yet, here, who knew what did Bonnie or Tumunan and a Correno? Corren would see no pampas no crumb for what it.
Yes, I know, dear.
Why will Nimsa Kashira Abuaz, Sonny? Who be Jabba catches a mimi bear crumb for?
That's me,
Mimi bear crumb for. Who won't to my good to my great idea say, where say. Where say school and swim no boy. Want to go where say. School and swim no boy. When about to say no binya. Who no boy. We are ready for him.
Who name no boy ntia.
We dross we so dross we say.
A biker.
We be a deca.
A biker. Dross where you red we say.
For binya. And for one your to phone ya kwacha no yon no.
See a best school was say the bia robbery na was.
No 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 em papa say me she. And can make you ni permission or you moke. And I'm say guarantee. And I'm if I'm going to for a brought all yada me to one make sure no. Let me say guarantee. Minim say go me meow minima. Na do approve. I be jaba ka say me bear crumfo. 50 men so ko.
So ban your crumfo.
50 men so ko. Wo to wi ade da.
Me.
E chiun. Wo wi ade ni wo wi.
Me atiti me yo.
Wana aboa. Me na man titi mba yie. Me na man titi mba yie.
Na so titi ni yanka o.
Fefe ko no. Efrako be jaba kasa meme be kromfo o jale papa unua na ni tika kaka no so wannum wia no school mu a waten school mu adi afe school mu na chi nyina draw ewo ayi na konyanum wono kura wonye kromfo memba na e kromfo bo mi be ja kasma cha be kasma cha kasa memtia oniema si oniema na wo ensuo beto na akra ehunyansa na oyi de brew akra ketekiti we ohunyansa yi niema de brew se dia ni boni ni de hin ha erade kasoro ha
How are you?
Fine.
I want to have a conversation with you. Can you shift to that side?
Okay.
Vaughn came to have a conversation with me, and he said he has already spoken to you about it.
Yeah, it's true. Because me say me about one of them will be the money so they are big.
So, what do you think about that? He says you are saying no or something.
Precious, you know, like Mami Bisao. So, is it true say more audio concerning my pregnancy, my all those kind of stuff?
We have everything. Vaughn has everything. Yeah. We had everything, but we just kept it between us. You see, I didn't have a reason to spread it and tell people that Asanto has done this and that. Do you understand? And Vaughn also kept it. So that shows how much he cared about you.
Nah, Precious. I'm thinking of something. Minim, as me feel as someone set a trap a man.
Oh, there's no trap. Oh, trust me. The guy really loves you. When he was even explaining it, I could tell that he loves you. He's not kidding. We are not setting any trap or trying to prank you or play you or anything. That's the truth.
Nah, I feel like it's a revenge.
Which revenge?
Oh yeah, because me nimpa the me and man and I'm very sorry for that. My causing problems with brain. Me very sorry, but Sepa say they see after everything I'll best have a say or me, so I should forget about everything. This no no.
I think he likes you, Asanto. Just try and think about it. Please. He's worried. He's in love. You understand? When somebody is in love, you know how it feels. The guy really loves you.
Nah, Precious, who say one way found full? I know.
I know when he is found fooling. Trust me. Trust me. He doesn't mean any bad. I don't also mean anything bad. Okay, we are not trying to do anything bad to you. Okay. Just think about it.
The old hand Matthias, Matthias, the open natural, but what they like catching is all movie on. Oh, like all movie on. What they major and the permanent, major and life man, all movie on.
He tried to move on, and he now thinks that he's in love with you. The guy loves you. Is it that you have someone else? You have someone else.
I don't have anybody, but Precious, you know me. You know me, you know the things I've done. You know everything.
And he still wants you. Isn't that even a privilege?
Nah.
He still wants you. Trust me.
I don't think it's love.
It's love. What else? What else?